We will be discussing how to create a perfect bun. I have pretty long hair, it is about 30 inches in length, and I have not discovered any other method besides the one that I will demonstrate to you that works for me. You want to ensure that your hair is in regulations at all times. Ensure that your hair is neatly groomed and pulled away from your face. Female cadets may wear cornrows as long as the braids are in cornrows and slightly tugged to the head. The hair must be pulled away from the face and be gathered into a bun or a braid at the back of the head. Make sure that the bun itself does not fall over the ears, eyebrows, nor extend below the bottom of the collar. Bangs, ponytails, braids, and extreme hairstyles that are not secured to the head are unauthorized. To begin, as you can see, I grab my water spray. I have noticed that I get my best results when I wet my entire hair. After wetting my hair, I grab my leave-in conditioner and apply that from the roots all the way to my ends. This will prevent any frizz, split ends, dryness, and unmanageable hair. Here I go again, applying water and thoroughly brushing out my hair. You can also create a bun with dry hair, but at the end of the day, it is just personal preference. This is just what has worked for me. Here I comb my hair back and I begin to part my hair. You can split your hair down the middle or to the side that you prefer. I personally like to do a side part to the right. You can grab the tip of your comb or some sort of pin to create an exact parting. When creating a bun, it's a lot of trial and error. So as you saw here in the video, I did not like my parting, so I decided to redo it. And here I went in with a pin to get more of an exact parting. I grab my water spray here and go straight in with some gel. I usually start off with a dime-sized amount of product and slowly work myself up with more. I like to use the Eco Styling gel. The reason to why I like this gel in particular is because it is made with black castor oil as well as flaxseed oil. This gel is alcohol-free, meaning that it will not damage your hair like many other products do. It will promote hair growth, shine, and repairment. Because it is alcohol-free, you will not need to worry about flaking, tackiness, nor itching. Here I grabbed my styling brush from Titan, number 744. You can purchase this brush at any local beauty store, such as Sally's Beauty Supply. When looking for a brush, make sure to purchase one that has strong, compact bristles. This will promote the sleekness of the hair. With the help of your styling brush, make sure that the product is thoroughly dispersed. I slowly begin to mold the hair back into the form of a ponytail. Here, I just continue on molding and molding and molding my hair into the form of a ponytail. I make sure that the front part of my hair is slick as well as the back. Every single angle is important, so make sure that there are no flyaways or bumps within your hair. After I have achieved the perfect pony, I grab not one, but 2 hair ties to secure it in place. The ties that I purchased are from the brand Goody. They are creaseless hair ties, so that being said, they will not leave a dent nor kink in your hair. Here I go again, grabbing more water and product and combing that out throughout my whole entire ponytail. Then I pick up my sock bun made from 3 black crew length socks. I decided to go with black because of my dark hair. If anything were to move out of place, the black sock would make it difficult to distinguish any misplacement. Here, I grab my sock bun and insert the pony through the hole. After, I grab the pony and split that into half. After splitting it into half, I grab a dime-sized amount of gel and place that all over my hair. I grab my styling brush and smooth the product out. Now what you want to do is grab the half pony and pull that through the donut. You will follow the same exact procedure with the other half of the pony. So as you can see here, we only have half of the bun completed. Now what you want to do is grab the leftover hair and place that throughout the sock bun and smooth it out with your styling brush. Be cautious enough to not leave any part of the sock to be seen. Here I go in with my thick hair tie and wrap it twice around the bun. Now, with the leftover hair, you can either braid it, twist it, or lay it flat around the bun. What I like to do is just simply lay it flat around the bun. I find it the most easiest and the most cleanest way. So in order to lay it flat, make sure that you do apply water and more hair gel and lay that down with either a brush or a toothbrush. I prefer a toothbrush because it gets into all of these small crevices and smooths out every single strand of hair. Because it is the back of my head, I like to pick up a mirror to see if there are still little hairs that are poking out of my bun, and if there is, I pick up some gel on my toothbrush. I pick up more gel, and with my fingers, I just lay out and smooth that strand of hair. I picked up this technique from an entrepreneur/influencer. This is basically floss that will help lay down the most stubborn hairs. So you can see more tips and tricks. I will make sure to link her video down below. I move on now to laying back my baby hairs. I grab some gel on the toothbrush and I start smoothing it out. Here I switch off sides. Instead of using the bristles on the toothbrush, I use the end to secure all of the little hairs. Because the gel has been sitting there for a while, I go in again with my water spray and begin to smooth out the front part of my hair. Like always with product on the toothbrush, I begin to do sweeping motions to lay down my baby hairs. With the exact same sweeping motion, I go onto my bang and lay it flat. And this is the final outcome. I hope many of you can find tips and tricks in this video to help you master a perfect bun.